Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, I'm happy you stopped by. Easter is just around the corner, and I'm going to show you how to make some really cute Easter cupcakes for your Easter table. To save time, I've already gone ahead and I've made my own cupcakes. I always make my cupcakes from scratch, but you can use a box mix if you want. That is fine. I've already made some frosting too, and I've put it in this piping bag. If you don't want to make your own frosting, you can always buy store-bought. Perfectly fine. This is all about being easy. I also have some yellow peeps, and I don't know what you would call the bunnies, but marshmallow bunnies, marshmallow bunny peeps. And I have some chocolate eggs that we're going to use today too. I'm going to show you a few cute little designs that you can do together with your kids or as a whole family, totally up to you. For our first cupcake, I'm going to show you how to make grass. This is a Wilton 233 tip, and it looks like this when you pipe it on. And I'm just going to go like this over the whole cupcake, filling in as I go. And here you can see it looks like grass. We're supposed to look like grass. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take 3 of these eggs. I have the yellow, the pink, and the blue. Oh, and that is your little grassy nest of eggs. Next, I thought I would do something a little different, still using this Wilton tip to get the grass effect. But I'm going to put a little peep on there, like that, and maybe a couple of eggs, like this. So you have your little chick with its eggs on a grassy nest. For our next cupcake, I'm going to put a rabbit on here, and I have a Wilton 2D tip. And all I'm going to do really is I'm just going to make some swirls around like this. Just like that. And I'm going to take one of the rabbits and I'm going to put it on like that. How cute is that? And then I decided, well, how about some sprinkles? Probably should have put the sprinkles on first, but we can just kind of decorate them like this. And if you're really not into green frosting, like me, you can just put on some white frosting, and then you can add some sprinkles, and then you can put on your marshmallow bunny like that. Do the same kind of thing. Here, let's try this. This is going to look like a bunch of little flowers all around. And again, we can add some more sprinkles for some color. And then we can top it with eggs. Yeah, I think that's really pretty too. And through the magic of YouTube, here are all the cupcakes that we made, and then some, arranged nicely on this little cutting board. Well, I hope I gave you some good ideas for decorating cupcakes for Easter. This is really a great activity to do with your kids. I wish my granddaughter was old enough so that I could do these with her. She'll just eat them. Well, thanks for joining me today, everyone. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and subscribe to my channel. Have a great day, everyone. Happy Easter, and I'll see you next time.